Alright, what's up guys? Nick here with some raw day trading. And today was I'm down $1,600 and let me see after fees, $1,600 and $65.79. Only matched with how much I was up yesterday at my highs. Not saying I can't get it back, but I did play poorly today. Not gonna lie. I did play poorly in some very clutch areas with multiple trades and very fast-paced losing. I was, how you say, a loser today. I played the sucker so hard. And I don't even blame the stock. The stock was a difficult stock to trade. It was actually three stocks. I'm red on all three. One I'm down 1,000, and two I'm down 300 and change on each. And yeah, let's fucking review some of this stuff because it is not a fun day. I'm not a happy camper right now. I'm annoyed that I gave back more of my profits from yesterday because it was a good day. And I just thought it was not, it was easy yesterday in the sense that I made money quick and I kept it. And it was hard today in the sense that I didn't have anything really to trade and I couldn't just and then the stuff that was to trade was very vicious. There was stuff to trade. There were opportunities. I did trade opportunities and I pushed myself into situations that, normally if I were down this much, I wouldn't push myself into. Or I would be more quick to cut, and then I end up down this much, and then I'll start trading well, and that's usually how it works because sometimes it takes, unfortunately, my habit patterns. It takes me getting punched in the fucking mouth to trade correctly. Oh, I just want to break my desk and my monitors and all of this garbage. It's just frustrating. I'm being overreactive. And yeah, don't be overreactive. Funny enough, I haven't been this, like, I was down 1,500, I think 2 times last week, and I haven't been this angry. I think part of it is there's, like, I kind of know the move's over. I know there's not really much left, and I don't want to sit around waiting all day just to get down to only minus 500 like I did on Thursday. Just a freaking, or Friday, or whatever day that was. It's just a hard day today. Anyways, HOTH, I lost right here. Very easily. There were two things going on. I was messing around with an E-signal chart trying to read stuff, and I got some good reads on it, and then I just kind of saw it ripping up, and I just focused on the level 2, get faked out on the level 2 in the chart, and I don't really realize the kind of context of the chart. The context of the chart is this. 3 red candles down. It spikes to the high in the 60s here. This kind of, let's see. I'm going to throw up, I feel like. Okay. This kind of, range zone. I think it's going to break highs. It doesn't break highs. It hesitates. I'm holding. I'm in at like 72, and it flushes down to, what was it? It was just annoying. 60. No, I'm in at 67, 66. It flushes down to 50. I jump back in at 48. It flushes to 41. Right there, those two trades lost me $1,000, approximately. Right? I don't know. My math. Actually, no, because I was up 600. those two didn't. Those were like six. I lost 300 on another one or 200 on another one, which was I think this one right here or something, or right here. I was fighting against the seller in this range. But we're going to look at it. We're going to get into it just because I don't think I can mentally trade correctly at the moment. I'm just frustrated, and that's okay. This other one, SYRA, I was trading it. I was right on this stock and then wrong because the spreads and the slip, and it just wouldn't let me have the wins that I got on paper. I feel like I'll have to look at it in the chart or in the video. We'll see if I am just bullshitting myself, because I thought I did okay on that one. The spreads, though, they were like 2 cents, and I was trading with 10,000 shares, so it's $200 each trade, and then like it goes against you a little bit more than that, and then maybe $400, $500, and that's how you get down $1,000 on a stupid penny name. At one point today, I was up 200 to 270 or so. I was very precise with my trade. It was good. And I think, I hate to say it. I really hate to say it. I really, really hate to say it. I'm trading like half of a strategy of somebody else, and I'm trading half the strategy of me. This guy who I follow, Relentless Trader, he made like 7K yesterday, and he was trading pretty aggressively, pretty quickly, and stopping out, so like getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. I try to do this down in on Hoth here on the wrong locations. When it starts ripping, I'm like, okay, this seems like the appropriate situation. So I'm still also giving myself leeway to hold because it looks like it's going to go. The hesitation, though, was too much, and it then flushes. And I lose a good amount of money. I could have done better with the cut. And that's, I think, the main thing. So let's go get the video pulled up, see what we can learn today. Oh, okay. And then one other thing, another mistake I made, I just woke up late. I woke up at 6 o'clock, kind of rushed together some coffee. I was like, it's fine, Didn't do my full wake up routine. I actually was fine into the open, but it's just something about like, I got this whole thing where I take an hour to wake up, and then I have a half an hour to look at the charts, and then I feel like I'm ready to go and ready to take the risks of the day, and then it turns out better usually. It just does. It just does. And today I even got a reasonable amount of sleep. I just slept through alarms. I ate a lot of food into the bedtime. That might have been it. A lot of sweet potatoes. I was really hungry. Didn't really eat in the day. And maybe that was my, just the imbalance of like how that went, not eating in the day. Yeah, I don't know, man. So woke up late. That wasn't really the problem. I think the problem we'll see the problem. Let's fucking look at it. Just the technical stupid things. I just didn't execute well. I feel so. I mean, I'm down $200 on the week. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. 150 maybe. It's fine. Yeah, trading Hoth here at the open. This is the only thing that looks medium okay good. Like nothing really looked good today. Nothing. I hate Hoth. I traded it multiple times. It just has these tight spreads, fake out trading, and you just have to fake the fake out or fade the fake out or flip the fake out, whatever you want to say. You just can't trade anything that looks like obvious on this stock because it just is the worst place to be in. And I'm okay with that. I can trade that. It's fine. I actually make money on it, and it takes me a couple of attempts. I jump in, jump out, and get it. I get a nice trade right here. I'm up, money, and then I lose it on where was I trading? I really got to see this stupidness. Okay, so this is just me. Now I get my E-signal charts out. Now I'm trying to get fancy, trying to complicate the things. Actually, I will say that the E-signal charts did provide some signal. Not hating on that. And I was able to make, like $300 on it before giving it all back, looking at the level 2. Look, this is I have like one trade or like one series of trades in this area, and now it's 20 minutes in the day, and I haven't traded since. I could have walked away and been okay. PTPI. Okay, so this is fucking another penny name. Great. PTPI. What was I doing here? Oh, okay. Here was what I was doing here. I have 2 trades on PTPI. Oh, so frustrated with myself. I'm trying to take it for the curl here. It's actually not a great chart. I think it's going to make a slap back. I think I'm getting in early. I just get in the wrong spot, take a loss. It's not a great trade. Not a terrible trade, honestly. I get slippage on the way in. Okay, look at this. It's 50. Okay, I hit the buy at 50.02. I get filled at 50.08. 50.09, and mostly at 51. Okay, so I get filled high. No one comes in behind me and buys it, and I'm hesitating. It's hesitating. It's not looking good. And then now it's all the way down to the 80s, 48. So instead of taking the $100 loss, I'm just holding. I'm like, it's early, it's low, it's whatever. It's just there's a buyer there, and then now it goes down to the 70s, and I get filled at 8, 48, and 47.74. Ow. And then, of course, it curls kind of back up again. No, not really. I don't know. I take one more trade on it. It's definitely not a winner, but I stop out early. Hoth ends up going. I end up not getting it. Actually, this isn't the important part. I gotta skip ahead. 1016. Let's see here. 1016. I'm just so annoyed. I'm sorry for being annoyed, guys. I'm just irritated with myself. Okay, 1010. What am I doing here? I was in the bathroom, so I missed a move here. Okay, that's not terrible. I don't chase it, and then of course it goes. Or maybe it doesn't quite go, but consolidates. 1016 to 25. Let's go back here. What is this? Oh, yeah, this is the bad one. So I pull up Zero. I'm like, this one, it already had tested. I got sand in my pen. Grinding my gears. Just like a crying little bitch right now. Okay. Note. Already. Test and reject. 200 SMA plus EMA. I just fucking hate that. All right, let's see how I trade it though. Oh, and the plus gap. So I don't get in at the lows here, or I don't get in as it's pushing. I'm waiting too long. In retrospect, I don't know. Waiting for confirmation. It's moving quickly. There's a one cent bid. It's over 10%. And now it's about to break 80. And funny enough, speak of the devil. Let's see what this thing is doing. You guys want to see what Sierra's doing? All right, so it's doing the same thing. And now I can lose another $400 to make it even 2,000. All right, now I'm doing live trading and watching and doing a recap. The only thing I like here is that it's going into lunch hour. But this volume is really nothing. Like if I were an algorithm, I would say that's reversible. Just trap everybody there and blow them out to the 60s, low 60s. Man, today stings. That's okay. Actually, don't want to trade this. Don't care. Sometimes the only way I've been able to not lose a lot of money is just not trading stocks I'm not reading well. And that's kind of a problem if, that's the only thing that's moving is the shit that's you're not reading well. But yeah, sometimes you just got to do. And SPY was selling today. The overall market was selling off today. Let me see what we got. Yeah, it's just down 74.74%. All right, so it's pushing 80s here. I'm like, I don't know. I was thinking maybe like yesterday there was that Voxel stock that was moving. I didn't capitalize well on it. I actually lost money, I think, on it, and it really went to the moon. That's what was in my head, trying to chase this one. And then I'll take a trade here in a second. Oh my God, SPI, when did this move? Give me a sec. All right, so now you have crap like this in the middle of the day. How the fuck am I supposed to trade this? I don't think I'm supposed to. Oh, man, I just feel like an ass. Just the level of volatility that in my profit loss that I'm just like annoyed with. I don't know. Let's see what people on Discord are saying. Yeah, the stupid stock DATS is moving. I'm not going to touch that. Garbage. I think I may have to do something here. All right. Well, there's a stock starting to move now, and I gotta focus on this. But I'm gonna actually have to do a recording later, maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to do what I need to do here. All right, it's about to open from a halt. This SPI, it's gonna open high. I'm gonna probably have to chase it. So give me a sec. All right, good news. I didn't trade it, and it halted down because it just opened high and dipped. Okay. So, so now I jump in. This is my first trade. God, this shit is still happening. I'm doing this review too early. So the stupid Sierra stock is moving. Let's see what it's doing. There we go. It's not doing. It is not doing, and I don't want a part of it. I'm so mad at it still. Okay. Sorry, I just have to know what's happening. So dumb. All right. So I'm focused on the Sierra. It looks okay. It looks like whatever. I get in at 74. I don't take a profit here. Where do I get in? I get in on the dip down. Okay, great trade. Pops up to 70. I start looking for 70 on the bid. Honestly, the best I had of the sellers stepping in. Best I had was that right there, I think. But I keep holding. And I think I let a winner turn into a loser here, or like a small winner turn into a loser. And Sierra's still being crazy. All right. So I had actually really good patience on that. Great entry. And I didn't take the small win I could have had, which is fine. And I let it go red. Okay, so I'm in here. let it go $300, $380 against me. And that is just unacceptable. Yeah. And now I'm red, like $100 on the day, whatever. I'm actually not even worried about it. Kind of should be, because 2 decent losses, kind of back to back, both on penny names. I'm just writing that down. Should have kind of told me to slow down. Fucking, I hate everything right now. All right. Just doing some live trading right now. Might not talk too much. I was so undersized on the SPI move. I made $100. I'm down to 1582, whatever, or I'm up to 1580 minus 1582. Sierra, I'm just super hesitant to trade, which is fine. I don't really want to trade it. The show is SPI at the moment. Looks like DATS is moving too, but I'm not going to touch that. DATS is dumb. It's dumb stock. Don't like it. HOTH. Oh, such a stupid day. I guess inverse relation. I just can't play so dumb. That's all I'm trying to say. I just play poorly. I play poorly on SPI too. I looked away trying to check my fills, because I had my fills. Like, I thought I made more on that, but I was just super undersized. And then, and then I missed the rest of the move. Didn't jump back in. It's a problem. Today is like a marathon grind session. I don't know what I'm doing. CGBS, what is going on here? What is going on? What is this? What is this? I don't know. Is there any rhyme or reason for this besides it just being a penny stock that had gone up before? It's just the penny stock that had gone up before. Let me see what else I can discern from this chart. Got like a minute and a half there. The one. Artist 5K shares on this. Let's see. You want to play stupidity? there's a level there. Is it just going to blow through it? I'm not even in at a good price, or looking at it as a good price. I want it to go to 101. I'm like shivering right now just because I'm annoyed and nervous. Yeah, a bunch of weird stuff is popping. That's annoying. All right, well, I missed that. Didn't really do much on it. Made $100 or something. It's my best stock of the day. No, I made 83 whole dollars. I'm gonna be grateful for it. let's finish this stupid review. Okay. So I'm about to do my second trade here. What is going on? I got slippage on that entry, and yeah, got out for 0.06 of a penny. .06 of a penny. All right. It's at the 200 day right now. I don't want to mess with it. Okay. I can go throw up later. Onwards and upwards. I'll set an alert above here just so I can watch it. We can watch it jump over to $1. Okay, so I'm on my second trade. Jump in at 71 on this downtrend here. I'm like, I jump out. Sear is now still pushing. Okay. It's not giving a dip. Probably should jump in right here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that wasn't the way. All right, so look at this. It just totally runs up. Everyone got out of the way. Just watching that. Yeah, look at this. This thing's just spinning 10 cents at a time. Oh, what is going on here? finish this Thunderdome. Oh. Just like along the sidelines, watching. It's up so much now. Probably gonna halt up. Just trying to halt up. That's the problem. Like when I'm scared, I just back off too much. There's like a sweet spot where you're just like ninja in there, ninja out, and you're like trying to get these opportunities. Man. Sierra, I hope that one dies. CGBS, I don't know. I don't have any high hopes for this either. This looks like a pile of dumpster fire. Okay. So, back to the video. I don't even know what. Okay, so I'm in at 71.99. Could have taken a small one right there. Could have taken. Oh, and I do. And I get it. Okay, but then it really goes, and I'm like, I want to chase it. Okay. And I do chase it. I get in at high. It's hesitating. High. Do I cut it? I'm trying to cut it at green. Okay, so it's not too bad. I think I get in here. It doesn't go. I cut it immediately. I lose a decent amount. Okay. All right, so now I should just back off. Down 300 on that. 400. 434, I think. Get in there at 89. It's looking like a maybe here. Now it's looking like a no. I cut it. I thought I was getting out at 90. Let's look at that one more time. And I get like $1 slip. Okay, so I lose $100 on the slip there. Man. Just disappointing day. And then I get in here again for the break. But I think I get in late. Oh, I get in late. And then this happens. Where it's not quite pushing. It's not quite pushing above. It's hesitating. I'm holding too long and I have to cut it. At that point, I'm down 618. So that was the end of that story. Actually, I take one more trade on it. Down 661. Okay, lame. Fuck you. I stop trading it. Then I start trading Hoth. Hoth? Sorry, I'm still popping back and forth between names at the moment, or between live trading and not trading. Sierra, let's go Sierra, put that up. Yeah, an SPI halting down. There you go. Q, very Q. Nothing for me there. DATS. Nothing really for me here. This is I just don't like the look of it in this shit. Sierra looks like it's moving again. Of course. All the stocks I don't like. So let's watch this. Looks like it's back testing the 200-day. Really only wanted above 90. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's see who wants to jump in. I don't know if anyone's watching this one. Thanks for being here and watching this, because I just it helps me balance out the emotions just talking through it. CGBS now is back up. What is going on with these names? I feel like people are trying to make up money that they just lost on that halt down. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's see what happens. I doubt anything happens off this one. So I think SYRA is probably the move, but I'm not going. Holy shit. Look at this. Now I'm signaling higher. Gonna be a crazy open. Well, at least you guys get a little live trading. Not sure what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so did that. So I don't know. Did you guys catch that? I'm not sure. I think I had it paused. Basically, I tried to take a trade up here out of the halt for the halt back up because I thought that halt down was silly. When I cut it, there was like a fluctuation, and I got fluctuated out of $500, and I was down 2,000, and now I'm down 1,800 after a couple other trades. Whatever. It's just a really hard day. I have to go. I have to get out of here. It's brr. I can't think right. Actually, I'm thinking fine. I'm just not taking enough action in the right spots, and it's just I'm out of line. Out of line. Out of line, down $1,800. I'm down on the year. Let me see how much I'm down on the year. Actually, I don't even want to know. I see it. It's red, but it's right here. It's a red. I know I'm about down maybe like $500-600. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. It's the hardest shit ever. Okay. So. I don't know what I'm doing. And this is what trading does too. You start losing and you really get tested at who you are as a person. And yeah, okay. So 1016, 1040. Now I'm going to miss this. I don't take this. I don't really take that. It was this trade here that I don't do well. I'm in here at 10. I'm like, okay, I cut it. Then it's back up. There's bids. I don't get back in. I don't get in for the break of 17. It's already creeped up multiple times. I'm waiting for further back check. It just ends up going to 60s. I think it almost halts up or halts up. Okay, I missed that. Cool. And then big loss on Hoth in 1055. And so it comes here, it starts consolidating sideways. There's this big seller here that I'm like, I think it's not a big deal. I don't cut. I should have cut. I cut here. Yeah. So that was my first big loss on that, down 700. And then I'm also looking at this thing, even the 15 minutes saying, go away, go back. Look at this. It's just like building sell volume. Okay. And then 1103. This is my big loss again. I don't catch this. On the way up, spits up. There's a little trade right here you could have taken. Now I get in here, and at 66, it's hesitating, visibly hesitating. Should cut right there. It still would have been down 250. And then I don't cut. I'm holding. I'm like, let's go. Why aren't you going? And I'm like, all right, party's over. I'm going to take my loss. And I cut it right there, but then I immediately jump back in. And then I take another $200 loss. And that's basically the day. All right, now I really have to go and just record what I'm trading now because I'm just digging a hole deeper. Now I'm down 1800, and it's just how the day is, and I got to work. So bye.